Sobering statistics this evening. More than 70,000 Americans lost their lives to drug overdoses in 2017. That's the population of Jackson, Tennessee. More deaths by overdose than car crashes. Today, Matthew Whitaker, the acting U.S. Attorney General, visited Nashville to talk about ways the DOJ is combating this killer. News 4's Edward Birch is live at the federal building in downtown Nashville for us tonight. Edward, the battle on the front lines is hitting close to Music City.
You know, Tom, synthetic opioids have killed more Americans than any other drug. And when talking about synthetic opioids, fentanyl is at the top of the list. Now get this, about the equivalent of a pinch of salt of fentanyl, that can kill somebody. And Whitaker has a strong message for those pushing these drugs and those overprescribing them.
Millions of Americans are living with the painful consequences of a family member's addiction or the addiction of their own.
Today, Whitaker spoke about the Appalachian Regional Prescription Opioid Strike Force, which adds prosecutors and teams of federal investigators in the fight. The southern hub of the task force will be based right here in Nashville.
We've already used the strike force model to combat healthcare fraud, and it's been very successful. We want to replicate the success in this fight, and I believe that it will help this area gain some relief.
Whitaker stressed the fight against opioid abuse needs to be won on three fronts: prevention, enforcement, and treatment. He also addressed a major cause of the opioid crisis: overprescribing.
We now have the lowest opioid prescription rates in 18 years, and we're going to bring them a lot lower.
So far, more than 220 doctors have been charged with opioid-related crimes, resulting in 80 convictions.
To those doctors that continue to overprescribe opioids, we know who you are. We're coming to get you.
And in Tennessee, drug overdose deaths have gone up 50% since 2013, reaching record numbers. Here in Nashville, we've seen an 88% increase that same time period. And here in Davidson County, we've ranked second in the state in overdoses, and most of those are opioid related. Tom and Tracy.
Alarming stats. Edward Birch, thank you.